about an hour out, I think, from Key West. And we're thinking that might be the Harbor Pilot right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So where does he come in at? On this side or this side?
Because the ship is going so slow that it probably only takes a second for the guy to step off and, step into the ship.
What time is it?
It is 10:45.
10:45?
Yep.
So he's an hour and 15 minutes before we're supposed to be in port?
Well,
is when they drop him off?
They normally target the pilot station about an hour before port. So that's about right.
We are docked at Key West. There's Mallory Square right here. Very good beam back here. I love me some Key West.
Oh, now I see. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, they're doing it at the second to the last.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because I didn't see anybody I guess the other one's too far away. I knew they were going to use one of them. So, 6 inches of diameter. Yeah, there's several back there.
Is there one down here?
It's actually right there.
Oh, that one. And they're going to do the front. Or they're going to do the front.
Yeah, it'll take a little while for all that sediment to settle. Where they kicked up all the way.